Coming in at a whopping $3,500, Apple's latest and greatest AI-powered mixed reality headset. The Vision Pro gets our honest review today. Hey guys, welcome to The Savvy Buyer, your favorite channel for avoiding regrets with your next purchasing decision. Quite frankly, and as expected from anything that comes out of the Cupertino factory, the Vision Pro is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, from image recognition to natural language processing. But one big question on many folks' lips is it really worth the price? Well, let's find out what makes the Vision Pro pop. Its features. The Vision Pro is packed with amazing features that cannot just be glossed over. Let's take a quick dive into 4 of such. Leading the pack is face recognition. It can recognize faces, which can be used to unlock the device, log into apps, or even identify people in images or videos. Putting on our critical hat, this is not a new feature, but the Vision Pro does it better than most other platforms. It can recognize a wide variety of objects like cars, animals, food, and even text in images. Live translation. The Vision Pro can translate text in real time, which can be helpful for tasks such as communicating with people who speak other languages, reading foreign language documents, or translating a website into your native language. Natural language processing. This one should excite creators as the Vision Pro can understand natural language, which can be used to generate text, answer questions, and write different kinds of creative content. For example, you could say, "Hey, Vision Pro, show me pictures of dogs," and the Vision Pro would show you pictures of dogs. Based on its machine learning capability, the Vision Pro can learn and adapt over time. This means that the Vision Pro can get better at its tasks the more you use it. Performance. Dual chip design. The Vision Pro features a dual chip design, with a custom M2 chip for general-purpose computing and a dedicated R1 chip for vision processing. This allows the Vision Pro to achieve high performance and low latency for vision-related tasks. The Vision Pro performs really well. It's fast and accurate, and it can handle even the most complex tasks. It runs on Apple's first spatial operating system, the Vision OS, ultra-high-resolution displays. The Vision Pro features 2 ultra-high-resolution displays, each with a resolution of 1080p. This allows users to see more detail in their images and videos, which can be helpful for tasks such as object recognition and scene understanding. Spatial audio. The Vision Pro supports spatial audio, which creates the illusion that sound is coming from different directions in space. This can be so soothing for tasks such as watching movies or playing games, as it can make your experience more immersive. Ease of use. The Vision Pro is easy to use. The interface is intuitive and straightforward, and the documentation is comprehensive. Even if you're not familiar with machine learning, you should be able to get up and running with the Vision Pro in no time. Besides being able to give it voice commands, 2 other features that complement this ease of use include eye tracking. The Vision Pro uses eye tracking to track your gaze. This information can be used to control the user interface, select objects and images, and even generate text based on your eye movements. How cool is that? The other is hand tracking. It can track your hands, which can be used to control the user interface or interact with virtual objects. Price. The Vision Pro does not come cheap. It starts at $3,500, which is a lot of money for a machine learning headset. Now, thinking back about all the amazing features and capabilities we have analyzed, let's see if this justification from Mike Rockwell, the executive in charge of the Pro Vision project, sits well. He said, "If you purchased a new state-of-the-art TV, surround sound system, powerful computer with multiple high-definition displays, high-end camera, and more, you still would not have come close to what Vision Pro delivers." Well, are you with him on this one? Let's know in the comments section. Overall, the Apple Vision Pro is an impressive machine learning platform. It's fast, accurate, easy to use, and packed with features. If you're looking for a powerful AI tool, Vision Pro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more reviews like this. And don't forget that if you're looking for a powerful and versatile AI tool, the Vision Pro is definitely worth checking out.